Sky Tower radar has been active, showing some showers and a few thunderstorms working their way through Polk County. We had some thunderstorm activity work its way through Bartow, just got to slide on to the north and east. So it is now weekend, so Davenport over into northeastern Polk County, sliding up towards Orlando, seeing some of that shower activity, and then had some showers work their way up through the bay, and then you just kind of slide right through the port, through downtown, and into northeastern Hillsborough County as well. We'll likely see a few more showers as we go through the day, but the overall coverage still very low for today. About a 10 to 20% chance at that. So 74 degrees right now here in Tampa. Newport Richey, you're at 68 degrees. Down in Sarasota, Bradenton, both at 71 degrees. Elsewhere across the state, you head down across the southern end of the state, you get these temperatures into the mid, in some cases the upper 70s, and then mid 60s up across the northern part of the state. Front from yesterday, that is now sitting to our north, so that's giving us that south and southwesterly wind. It's warm, it's muggy, a very steamy start to the day, and then that area low pressure, which is spinning over Mississippi. That was the one that was over the Gulf yesterday. Has worked its way to the north, but that just continues to draw all that warm, sultry air up across the southeast. And then as you look at the water vapor imagery, it kind of tells an interesting little tale here. You can see the upper level spin, and this darker shade, that is dry air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. So even though it's very humid at the surface, feels more like summertime in the mid levels of the atmosphere. We're seeing some dry air that's kind of cut down on the rain chances. That's why, yeah, the rain chances are in there. They're just fairly minimal. There you see a few of these showers as we head into the lunchtime hour, and then all that activity will tend to work its way over onto the other side of the state. Now, by Sunday, we've got another front which is heading our way, so it's humid over the weekend. But once that front comes through, you see what that does? Really drops that humidity, with that dew point number going much lower as we get into the first part of next week. That'll be nice. Scattered clouds, isolated showers for today. Daytime high 85 degrees. Then for tonight, partly cloudy, warm. Overnight low of 72. For tomorrow, mostly sunny, warm afternoon. Daytime high 87 degrees. Low tide at 4:53. Actually, that was already gone by. High tide comes up at 9:27 this evening. The marine forecast through the weekend looking pretty nice, with those seas running right around 2 feet. Here's your 7-day forecast. Front works its way through on Sunday, and then we cool things down, but we really drop that humidity as we head into next week.